Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss class level variable and local variable. So last video, guys, I have discussed primitive type and reference type. So I have also given you the example as well. Okay. So we have a class level variable. So people say global variable. Okay, but technically it is called class level variable. Okay, then we have a local variable. In class level variable, what is the class level variable? Variable which is defined inside this class block. Okay, so when you are creating the class block, right? So in class block you are defining the variable. In class block, again we have a static variable and non-static variable. Okay, so I will come on that. I will show you the complete syntax when I will give you the code on the when we'll do the practice, and when I will come on the screen I will show you everything. Okay, so don't worry, just understand bit theory, how to represent if someone will ask. Okay, so inside this class block, right, we are defining variable. So in class variable means we have a static and non-static variable. So again we have a question here, in which scenario we can use a static and in which scenario we can use non-static variable. I will explain you, don't worry. Understood, right? So variable which is created inside this method block or any other block, I can say constructor block, I can say a static and non-static variable block. Those variable are called local variable. Okay, local variable a scope is inside this method only or inside this block only. Okay, so the lifetime of the local variable inside this method. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, I will also give you some rules rules for the local variable. Okay, okay, hope you understand. So now question is, what is a static and what is non-static variable? Okay, so a static means the variable when you are creating the variable and when you are defining the static keyword, that is called a static variable. Okay, so when you are not adding the static keyword, then it is called non-static variable. So why we use a static? When you have a common requirement, means a static means we have a single copy of memory. Okay, non-static means we can create a specific copy of memory. What do you meaning of this? So you can say if you have a static variable, you can directly access by using the class name, or you can directly access. Okay, but if you have a non-static variable, then you have to create an object. Okay, for non-static member, you must be create an object. Without object you can't get memory. Okay, so some of the scenario I can say, suppose you have to define some static name. Suppose we have a company name is TCS. So company TCS company name will not change. Okay, but employee data, right? Employee data is dynamic here. Every employee having the different data, so from there we can provide the specific copy of memory, right? So when you are using a static, sorry, non-static, then we can create an object. How to create an object, how to access those variable, we will discuss, guys, in practical in your next session. One more question is there. In a static, in local variable, can be defined as a static? No, local variable you can't define as a static. If you will try to define a local variable as a static, you will get compile time error. Okay, then local variable you can define as a final is your modifier, and we can also discuss more about of the final, what is the use of the final and all. So don't worry, we'll do in the practical in your next session, and we'll give you the some notes as well. So now just I'm explaining you the theory part. Okay, why we use final variable? So final modifier is applicable for local variable as well and class level variable as well. Okay, so why we use the final? So someone cannot modify the, if you will try to modify, right, in the last session we have discussed how to modify the existing variable. Okay, so someone cannot, I can say, modify the data. If you have some security, right, someone cannot modify, then we should go for final variable. Now we can move in the practical part. So next video I will give you some practical part how to implement these all the variable. Okay guys, so in this video that's it. So if you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more video notification. Please do not forget to subscribe guys. Thank you so much. In the next video, bye bye.